going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
And so we'll import Chinese-based CBDC technology. So it's going to be CBDC in a box provided to you by the People's Bank of China.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works, because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, the New World Order book shows you how the world really works, and it is definitely time for you to wake up out of that sleep, especially in the times that we're in right now. Now, guys, I told you in 2023 in the first quarter, we would get an event. And now we have the banking collapse, which the master magicians pulled off the perfect distraction. And at the end of the third quarter, going into the fourth quarter, guys, we're going to have another main event. Now, of course, the markets will still pump and dump until we get that next crisis. Guys, we know they're going to pull that rug. And all we have to do is watch the Fed to know exactly when that's about to happen. And also, guys, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, much love to those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. Keep it coming. Guys, if you're not a part of the Patreon, make sure you're donating to the channel through the actual Cash App. We all know this channel is shadow banned. Now, guys, in my Patreon, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events, and then also I give you the New World Order cryptos. But, of course, you have to do your own research. But, guys, this next Bitcoin and crypto bull run is going to be a utility run. So you want to make sure you have the cryptos that have real utility. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.
And right now, guys, we have Bitcoin and cryptos pulling back slightly. We know we have options today. Now, we have Robinhood in support for Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. And guys, like I went over yesterday, it doesn't make sense for Robinhood not support crypto securities when they actually are selling stocks. That makes no sense whatsoever. Now we have Moody's downgrades Coinbase, and we'll probably get another notification that Kathy Woods has bought more. But guys, make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates moving up. We have the dollar moving up, but still off the high. We have volume in crypto very low going in towards the weekend. We have Tether, we have USDC, and then guys, of course, we have the Fed. Repo at $2.1 trillion, and we know that central banks are raising rates and run off the balance sheet in order to destroy this legacy market so the fourth industrial revolution can rise. Whether robots, algorithms, and drones take the economy over, pay each other with crypto, and the sheep go inside the metaverse. And guys, this week, all the attention is going to be on the Fed because we know Jerome Powell is in the house. When we look at any crisis that we have going on in the United States and across the globe, only thing you have to do is point to the Fed. The banking crisis, housing crisis, supply chain issues, and of course inflation. They're fighting the inflation that they cause, which we know is causing layoffs across the globe. But remember, guys, that's what they have to do in order to bring in the machines and the programmable money. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Now, guys, do not forget about Grayscale, sent about $22.8 billion. But getting over into a little crypto news, we have OKEX Exchange burns 250 million of its tokens going towards the bear market. Also, we have World Global rolls out in Africa. And guys, we know a lot of these technology tests are rolled out in the emerging markets, especially in Africa. But guys, we have World Mobile is teaming up with Starlink. And we know Starlink is nothing but Skynet. Now we have Kraken NFT Marketplace launches with support for Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon. And guys, we know NFTs are nothing but digital IDs. And then we have Vitalik Buterin and Polygon co-founder to help send $100 million towards COVID-19 research. And where is AML when you need it? Sounds a little fishy, guys. And lastly, guys, we have Gary Gensler says the crypto market is like 1920 stock market, full of fraudsters. And guys, all we have to do is look at our U.S. government, full of fraudsters. And we know the banks are the biggest what? I'll let you finish that. Now we have Binance US cuts off the on and off ramps of the US dollar, and we know that's all because of the SEC, and we're seeing consolidation in the space. And this is the reason why stable coins are the foundation of crypto. This is the reason why the NWO wants the stable coins, because they can cut you off. If we started transacting in Bitcoin, any other cryptos, no one would be able to cut you off. But because in order for you to cash in, you have to go back to a fiat currency, that keeps them in control. Hopefully everyone can see that. And we have the Ripple case even more crucial than ever since the Binance and Coinbase case. And don't forget, guys, when it came to the delisting of XRP, the SEC didn't force anyone to do it. They proactively did it. And now we see Brian Armstrong stating that he's not going to delist any tokens, and then also he's not going to stop the staking after the SEC has warned him. Guys, you're watching nothing but a movie. And again, hopefully everybody can see it. You know the crypto teacher gives you the truth, nothing but the truth. Yes, the truth hurts, but it sets you free. And remember, my people perish from the lack of knowledge, not because it's not there, because they reject it. And we know the Most High is going to reject their children. And we already see it. Remember, guys, y'all are watchmen on the wall. You have to inform your friends and family. If they don't listen, at least you know you told them. But you definitely want to wake them out of that sleep, because before they know it, the machines will be here. And that programmable money, telling them what, where, and when and how to buy. And they have 3 to 6 months to spend it, or poof, it's gone. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. Do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The stock channel, guys. Don't forget to go like, subscribe, spread everywhere. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks, the Seaver, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the fourth industrial revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.